To change your lock screen filter in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can also go to the screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Next, tap filter icon at the bottom of the lock screen. And then select the desired filter you like to apply to your lock screen. However, you can see how each filter will look like when selecting a filter. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Done button to save the change. Now the selected filter will be applied to your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.